Hey guys, please take a look at new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Very nice and clean 2010 Honda Odyssey EXL. Beautiful shape inside and out. Came from south. It's got no rust. 107,000 miles. One owner since new. It's got clean Carfax, no accidents. Beautiful, very nice and clean looking body. In a great shape. Very nice and clean unit. Low miles for the year, 107,000 miles. Very well kept and maintained. Beautiful tires, alloy wheels, tinted windows, roof rack. Body is in great shape. Very nice and clean all around. Runs and drives super nice. Front row ready. It's been detailed and inspected, guys. Very nice unit. Let's take a peek inside. It is fully loaded inside. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got power lift gate, power sliding doors. Look at this beautiful leather interior. It's in a great shape. Very nice and clean. It's got power seats and heated seats. Bluetooth. No warning lights on the dash. It's got 107,000 miles. Bluetooth. Navigation, rear view camera, automatic climate control. Automatic transmission. It's got a bunch of keys. Your manuals in a glove box. Very nice and clean unit. Runs great. Power sliding doors. As you see, everything working perfectly fine on it. It's got one extra seat in the middle here. So this is an 8-passenger minivan. Rear entertainment for your kids. Everything works. Nice and clean. It's been detailed. Let me just open it, show you the third row. Nice and clean as well. A beautiful shape. Just close the door. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive it, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. And let me just open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Look at these beautiful alloy wheels. They are free of scuffs. Nice tires, all matching all around. V6, 3.5 liter engine. Beautiful, nice and clean under the hood as well. In great shape. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful Honda Odyssey, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Financing is available. Please do create application on our website, carcitychicago.com, or simply stop by and visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a great day.